everyone, welcome to Crafty Yarn Owl with Darla. How are you? Do you have something to drink right now? I'm drinking coffee. This is my second cup. So, what did you do on the weekend? Well, you might know something a little different about me. Yeah, I got it chopped off, colored, highlighted, red highlights on a brown, like a medium brown base. Yeah, so that's what well, sometimes I don't, well, usually I don't get highlights, but I just felt like getting highlights. Yeah, so very happy with it. My hairdresser is wonderful. She's so fun to talk to. She loves to laugh, and I've been going to her for years and years. She's awesome. She owns the shop, and it's a family-run business. Yeah, so the family works there too, and they're very, very nice people. So yeah. All right. Feels so much better. Hubby likes it. All right. Let's see. So I had that done on Friday. While you guys were watching my Friday video, I was at the hairdresser's. So I want to talk about the crochet items that I was trying to sell. If they don't sell, then they're going to be donated to a women's resource center in my area here in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. And so I think they're all going to be donated, and that's cool. That is cool. I mean, it's great to donate. Great to donate. I love doing it. I've donated to them before. I donated some crochet items. There was a hat and scarf set. There was a blanket that I made. I made the hat and scarf set too. And a cardigan that I made. So I donated that to them. And so I'll be donating these other items as well that I showed you. I'll link that video below in case you haven't seen it. But yeah, so I'm good with that. That's awesome. I thought maybe one or two might sell, and then I donate the rest. But I know, I'm in Canada. A lot of you are in the United States, and I know, like, I didn't ask for a specific amount, just whatever you thought you could pay, and I would do that. I would just ship it to you. But, you guys, I guess you're thinking, oh, well, I should offer more than, enough to cover everything, the shipping, but don't even worry about it. Don't even worry about it. These are going to get donated to that Women's Resource Center, and it feels so good to be able to help someone else, Also, I donate things, household stuff and, stuff like that to another place. It's actually a thrift store called Darcy's Ark, and they have a no-kill shelter. So all the money they make there goes directly to their no-kill shelter. So I always donate to them. They used to have a thrift store in my area, and then they moved the store to a bigger location. It's a little ways from me, but we go there. Throughout the year, I will, as I'm going through my stuff, or I'm like, buy a new something, say a new can opener, and the other one still works good, I'll put the can opener in the box to donate to Darcy's Ark. So yeah. Let's see. So, you want to see what I'm wearing? This is going to be a tutorial. I showed it a little bit on a video last week, I guess. But I made one over the weekend because I can't really videotape over the weekend because hubby's so noisy. But this is the pattern. And it's just mostly double crochets. This stitch is right here, and it's also at the bottom right here. and it's also in the straps. So Cindy the crocheter, hi Cindy. When I showed the part that I've done the recording on already for the tutorial, it was about this long, and she said, why don't you put this stitch, you know, like partway down the top as well as at the bottom. And so I thought that was a great idea, so I put it just under the girls, and I think it looks good. What do you guys think? So I'm hoping to have that tutorial out this week. I have some more recording to do. Yeah, you know, there's always something else that comes up, right? Always something else. So, yeah. Oh, and I will explain in the video. Like, I'll show this shirt, this one that I made with this yarn in the video as well, in the tutorial video, and explain, you know, what it is. But it is a bamboo cotton, this one. And the one I'm doing the tutorial with is, I still have to look it up. I'm pretty sure it's a hobium. I thought it was a Karen cotton cake, but no. It's a hobium yarn, I believe. I got to look it up and see if they have any more, to see exactly what it was, because I don't have the label. And yeah, but it's a cotton or a cotton blend or something. So, and I think it's a 4-weight. But anyway, you'll see in the tutorial video when I get that up. Okay, so what else do I have? Oh, well, I have a WIP I want to show you. I also have some Happy Mail. I think I'm gonna, okay, I got this Happy Mail on Saturday. It was in my mailbox, so I have not opened it yet. And it's from Saskatchewan, Canada. That is an awesome sticker. I'm hiding the address. But yeah, there's something in there. So I've waited this long, so I'm going to wait a little longer. I'm going to show you a WIP I have going on here. And this is it so far. Oh, you didn't see my hairy armpits, did you? Stop rewinding the video back. And so we have new neighbors. They moved next door. I think it was in the fall. Nice couple. They have 2 young daughters. And over the winter, she had a baby girl. So, and they're really nice, and they're really nice people. She's fun. She likes to laugh, and she's, oh my gosh, she is just so outgoing. And anyway, she came over, the mother came over with a container of macaroni salad that she had made, and she asked if we'd like some. So of course hubby is like, well, sure, we'll take that. So they're very friendly, very nice. Oh, and the salad. Oh, she had, okay, of course, macaroni. There was celery in there. There were red peppers. There was red onion and little bits of cheddar cheese. I don't know what she used for a dressing, but oh my, it was so good. So good. So then I started thinking, you know, about the baby she had. And I had this yarn that the lovely Terry, hey Terry, I haven't seen you comment for a while. Where are you, Terry? I'll have to email you. But it's Knitting Essentials double knitting, so it's a DK yarn, which is a 3-weight. She sent this to me all the way from the UK. And look at the beautiful colors. She had sent me 3 of these. Was it 3? Did I make something else? I might have made something else with some of it. Oh dear, I don't know. But I have 3 left anyway. They're 50-gram balls, 100% acrylic. The color is bright pink. Gorgeous baby, it says. So I thought, okay, what am I going to do with these? Like, I wanted to make a baby blanket. So she also gave me this So Crafty, it's called. Color is K013. It's 100% acrylic as well. Also, pretty sure it's a DK. Where's the info? Yeah, it's double knit. So it's DK, a 3-weight. And it's in ecru color. And I've used, she sent me, I think, Terry, you sent me 3, I think? 4? Something like that. So I've used some of it for something else. So I thought, well, you know, I'll just put those together like this. So I did 3 rows of the mixed color one, this one I just showed. And then I did 5 rows of this ecru. And I'm going to do the border in ecru because I won't have enough of the other. But that's how I'm doing this. And I have a tutorial for this stitch on my channel, so I'll link that below. But, you know, this is going to be pretty big. I think it's 36 inches wide, is it? I think so. Just looking for, oh, I have a ruler. So that's 12, 24. Oh, not quite, almost 36 inches wide. And then I'm going to try and make it so that it's square, 36 inches square. And so I'm going to give that to her for her baby. I don't think she knows I crochet, unless one of the other neighbors mentioned it, but I haven't told her. And pretty sure she doesn't know I have a channel, so she'll know all that once I give her this. I don't know if she crochets or knits or anything, but I'm going to have to remember to ask her. So this is one that I had, I think I used part of it. And so I'm just using this one. So I'm still going to have, you know, probably this whole thing left over. Oh, piece of fuzz. Yeah, so, yeah. So I think she's going to really like this. I know for sure she'll appreciate it. And I'm making it big enough that, you know, the baby is just tiny now, but, you know, it'll be good for when she's, well, maybe now. No, summer's coming. It's going to be too hot. But in the fall, in the winter, she could probably use it, or next year. I don't know, but yeah. So I was using a 5mm hook. I don't know if it suggests the hook size? I don't know. Oh, it does. Oh, needle size 4mm. No, yeah, hook size 4mm as well. But I'm using a 5. And this that was this one, and this one I don't know if it suggests it, but it's also a DK, so I'm using I don't see it right now, but I'm using the 5mm for the whole blanket. All right, so that's what I have. Oh, I need some coffee. All righty then. Happy mail. I gotta open this happy mail. I'm excited about it. So let's do this. Let's open it. Oh, pretty card. Very pretty. Very pretty. Look at that. That's gorgeous. Today and always by American Greetings, it says. That's very pretty. There's the back. All right, that's very nice. What? Oh. Oh my gosh, she's so funny. This is Lisa from Dragon Bee Crochet. Oh, I knew it was from her because she's in Saskatchewan. Hi, Lisa. She writes inside. Oh my my gosh. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to you, Lisa. Oh my goodness, and look at this beautiful stitch marker. It's an owl, and I love blue. That is so sweet. So her note says, I hope this note finds you happy and well. Yep. To celebrate, can I say how old you are here? I don't know if I should. To celebrate my birthday, I wanted to send thank you notes to people who have encouraged and inspired me. Thank you for all you do. Oh, well, thank you so much for that. Encouraged and inspired. That's what you guys do. That's what you do, Lisa. Join my Facebook group, guys, if you haven't already. It'll be linked below. If you're not on Facebook, that's okay. I understand. But she posts some things. Lisa posts some things in my Facebook group. And, yeah. Happy birthday to me. That is so awesome. Yeah, so thank you so much. Oh, such a beautiful owl sitting on a twig or a branch. Thank you so much, Lisa. Oh my gosh, so I'll link her channel below, and so you guys can go check her out. And she's a crocheter. Yeah, so that was fun. Okay, I think that's it. That's it for today. It says 20 minutes. Yeah. So you guys have a fantastic day. Watch for the tutorial for this. Like I said, I'm hoping to have it out this week. Yeah. And I think that's it. All right. So yeah, if you would like to subscribe, that would be awesome. And turn the bell on if you want to continue watching my videos. If you saw anything in this video you liked, please hit the thumbs up. And what? Oh, and I have that super thanks button down below. You have to kind of scroll through past all those other buttons. But anyway, it's I'm excited, and I want to thank the ones who clicked on it. And oh my goodness, thank you so much. I mean, thank you. And the ones who didn't, that's perfectly fine. I love all you guys just the same. All right, I'll see you guys soon. Bye. Oops.